In this video, we are going to demonstrate the feasibility of integration between LiveEngage and Twitter platforms. In this screen, we see at the left the LiveEngage dashboard as seen by an agent. In the bottom right is the Twitter profile of a made-up company this agent works for, named PriceSmart. And in the top right is the Twitter profile of a made-up customer called Chat Visitor. The idea behind this proof of concept is that a customer that wants to talk to an agent from PriceSmart can do so by using Twitter. All the tweets the customer writes to the company are going to be handled by the agent through LiveEngage. The engagement is initiated by the customer that writes a tweet addressed to the company's Twitter profile, PriceSmart in this case. The customer has to use a predefined hashtag so that our middleware understands that a chat with a LiveEngage agent is to be started from that specific tweet. In this demonstration, the predefined hashtag is PriceSmartChat. However, companies using this integration middleware will be able to define their own key hashtag. Once the customer publishes the tweet, we are able to see the tweet on his own profile, mentioning the target company, PriceSmart, and the key hashtag for starting a chat. At the Twitter profile of PriceSmart, we can also see the tweet that mentions the company profile name. This is what Twitter calls a mention. Our integration middleware periodically monitors PriceSmart's Twitter profile for new mentions. The middleware will eventually see that there is a new mention to the company originated by a customer called Chat Visitor. The middleware will then start a new chat with LiveEngage agent on behalf of the requesting customer. The first chat line contains exactly the text that the customer has published in his tweet. In the beginning of the chat, the middleware also informs the agent that this conversation is happening via Twitter. The agent can now interact with the customer, and whatever the agent types in the chat window will be published in Twitter as a reply to the original tweet published by Chat Visitor. We can see here in the customer Twitter that the chat line sent by the agent in the LiveEngage dashboard has already been published as a tweet reply, and the same is visible in the PriceSmart Twitter's profile. Any message that is now exchanged between the customer Chat Visitor via Twitter and the agent via LiveEngage will be published as a reply to the original tweet. Perhaps a drawback of using tweets to communicate with a company in Twitter is that the whole conversation will be public in both the company and the customer profiles. However, Twitter offers a second option for exchanging messages between two user accounts, named direct messages. This is similar to Facebook's Messenger, in the sense that all messages are private and only available to the parties involved in the conversation. Our integration middleware also captures communication between the company and customer that happens via direct messages in Twitter. In this case, when the customer Chat Visitor wants to initiate a private conversation with an agent from PriceSmart, he will do so by sending the direct message to the company's Twitter profile. The message sent by Chat Visitor will be immediately sent to the Twitter profile of PriceSmart, and it will be picked up by our integration middleware that will understand the customer wants to interact with a LiveEngage agent. The middleware will then initiate a chat with an available agent on behalf of Chat Visitor. The first chat line will tell the agent that this conversation has been initiated by Chat Visitor from Twitter, and the second line will be the text typed by Chat Visitor in Twitter itself. The agent can now start interacting with the customer. Every line the agent sends in the LiveEngage chat window will be posted as a reply to the conversation initiated by Chat Visitor in Twitter, as well as every line typed by the customer in Twitter will be presented to the agent in the LiveEngage chatting platform. Once the engagement is concluded, either via tweets or direct message in Twitter, the agent can attach the conversation to an existing customer through the CRM widget. In this example, the customer chat visitor is already registered in the Salesforce CRM, and we can find an entry for the customer when searching by its name. When locating the entry for chat visitor, we can link the chat to the customer. Now, when opening the customer information page within the CRM widget, we see a list of all engagements the customer chat visitor has initiated with LiveEngage agents. And by clicking on these engagements, we can see their respective chat transcripts, in this case, the chat initiated from Twitter. Once linking a chat to a customer within CRM widgets, this information becomes immediately available also in the Salesforce platform. By searching for chat visitor, we find the customer profile and a list of all engagements this customer initiated in LiveEngage. The channel from which the customer contacted the agent in LiveEngage is also informed. Note that the channel information is automatically set by CRM widget. By clicking on the engagement ID, we can see the chat transcript of the respective engagement.